Hello everyone, today I'm unboxing the items that I received recently from AliExpress. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The shipment itself was already wrapped with bubble wrapping, but unfortunately, the box was damaged from the corners during shipping. It's Wi-Fi IP camera, 8 megapixel, including PTZ control. Here we have the RG45 water isolation connector, including the water sealing ring. Also with the UK wall adapter. The output is 12 volt with maximum 1 amp. With LED light indicator. Also here we have the mounting screws if we need to mount the camera to the wall or roof or whatever. User manual that I will never use. The mount itself was a bit scratched. Here we can see in the back of the mount there is already a path for the cable, so we can secure the cable from moving or putting unnecessary weight on the camera or the PTZ control. Here we can see the speaker and the power jack and the RG45 connector. The camera has two Wi-Fi antennas. I believe one of them is fake. Only one antenna has the proper hardware from inside. They kept the second one for decoration. From below, we will have the reset button along with the SD card slot. I will not use it in my case, since I do have the MVR recorder in my home and I will be connecting this camera to it. External hard drive will be connected also for recording. This is the silicone cover, so it will protect the camera from water and dust. And that's it for this video. Subscribe for more. Leave a comment below and let me know what do you think. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Consider supporting this channel for more videos. See you in the next one.